Alright guys, my name is Hector and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new Toolbox. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. You can actually check it out. Alright. Go ahead and take it out. Alright, so as you can see, portable, heavy-duty toolbox. It's got the handles right here, 3 drawers, and it's got these, so let's go and open it up. That's what it looks like right in here. Open these now. Oh, very cool. Everything already comes pre-assembled. You don't have to do anything. It's literally good to go right out of the box. I get this into my wife. They do make it in different colors as well. So if you're not good in this color, they have other options there as well. So let's go and actually start filling it up and see how it looks. Like I said, we're able to, transport it onto the truck, onto your garage, anything like that. So let's go and actually start filling it up. All right, there we go. Seal all these. As you can see, they all slide out even with stuff in them. Let's close this one, latch it up. It's still portable. Check it out. And like I said, you could also carry it from here as well. Like I said, here's the cool part is you can literally take it with you on the go, put it in your truck, put it in your garage. Super portable. Keep all your everyday stuff in there. Just give you an idea. Bunch of batteries and chargers up here. Just like that. Seal it all up. Good to go. All right, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable toolbox, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours.